Should Zoe take William on the boat with her?
I do not think so, because it's only been just a small phase of Zoe actually meeting William, and she hasn't accounted whether or not he is actually trustable. Because he could be like the other like Doobie, where he could have similar personalities.
Thank you.
I don't think Zoe should take Doobie on the boat because Doobie might abandon her. I agree with Saffron because maybe William's trying to hide his personalities.
That's a very good, I like that, it's interesting. Do you agree with Musa? Do you think William's concealing his personality?
I agree with Musa because he could like say something to everyone if Zoe takes him with her.
Okay, thank you.
I disagree with them because you shouldn't be too quick to judge, and you should wait a bit of time and let them decide if he's worthy or not.
Definitely true, agreed. Over here?
I think Zoe shouldn't trust William because William doesn't really have, Zoe doesn't really have that much information about William, and Zoe doesn't, and they don't know what William might do to her.
Thank you.
I agree with Emmanuel because William, he was nicest to Zoe the most.
Okay.
First came into the island.
Thank you. Final question. Should Zoe take William on the boat with her? Listen carefully. Stand up if you think Zoe should take William. So stand up if you think Zoe should take William. Stay seated if you think she should not. Okay, one child is in favour. Can you just quickly summarise why you think Zoe should take William?
Because everyone thinks William is old and he just makes up stories, but no one really is like his friend. So I feel like Zoe should give William a chance.
Thank you very much.